In Google's latest Veo 3.1 update, you'll find some awesome new features. One of those features is the ability to create multiple cut shots in a single video. For example, check out these two clips.
Google has officially launched Veo 3.1, and today we're going to test all its new features.
We did not start this war, but we will finish it!
The best thing about the multiple cut shots feature is that it lets you create one video with different camera angles and shots, all in one go. The second new feature is called start frame and end frame, and here's a great example. Just watch how smoothly it transitions from the start frame to the end frame in this video. The new 3.1 update also comes with some solid improvements.
There's no energy drink like this one.
Like more natural character movements, smoother camera control, and upgraded sound and voice quality. Alright, so today we're testing out Veo 3.1. And the best platform to use it on is Higsfield AI. Why? Because it gives you unlimited video and image generation using some of the world's top AI models, like for videos, WAN 2.5, Sora 2, Cadence Pro, Halo AI, and for images, Nano Banana and Seedream 4. Now, just a quick heads up, the unlimited video generation feature is only available for users with a Higsfield subscription. If you're using the free version, you'll still get a few free runs every day to try it out. So, if you're looking for a platform that lets you use some of the world's best AI video and image models without worrying about credits, Higsfield is hands down the best choice out there. Plus, it's packed with tons of other features, from lip sync tools and image editing to generating consistent character images with ease. To access Veo 3.1, just head over to HIGGSFIELD.ai. I'll also drop the link down in the description for you. Once you're there, simply sign up using your Google account. After signing in, go to the videos section and click on Veo 3.1. Here, you'll find two main options to create videos: frames to video and ingredients to video. In ingredients to video, you can upload up to 3 images and instantly turn them into a video. Scroll down a little, and you'll see the multi-shot mode option. This feature lets you add multiple shots in a single video for a more dynamic result. From the model section, you can switch between different AI models, and under resolution, you can choose between 720p or 1080p. If you turn on unlimited mode, you'll be able to generate as many videos as you want without using any credits. But for now, we'll skip that and switch back to the Veo 3.1 quality model for the best quality and results. Alright, so first, let's test how this model performs when two characters are talking to each other. We'll start by clicking on frame and uploading our image. Here's a simple prompt I'll be using. I'll paste it into the prompt box and hit generate. And once the video is done generating, let's check it out and see how well it handled the interaction.
Think AI will take over? False.
No, it'll team up with us.
The voice quality has clearly improved a lot. There's a little glitch in the middle of the video, but overall, the quality looks great, and both characters nailed their dialogues perfectly. Alright, let's jump to our next video generation. This time, we're going to see how you can create multiple cut shots in a single video. So, here's our image. We'll upload it right here. Next, this is our prompt. You'll need to write it in a specific format. First, describe your shot, then type cut shot, describe the next shot, add another cut shot, and finally, describe your third shot. Once that's done, just paste the prompt here, turn on multi-shot mode, hit generate, and your video will start processing. Alright guys, the video's ready. Let me hit play and show you how it turned out.
Where am I? Is someone there? Hello? Is anyone alive?
This video was also handled pretty well by Veo 3.1. Everything looks great.
Hello?
The background music, the voice, and those smooth camera moves are all on point. The only issue is that the third shot didn't show up, but that's fine for now.
Hello?
I think this happens because Veo 3.1 is still rolling out longer video support. Soon you'll be able to generate up to 30-second clips, and once that's live, the multi-cut shot feature is gonna work even better. Right after this, I tried another video in the same style, and that one turned out perfectly. Let me play it for you.
It's finally here. Veo 3.1 Handshake, the update we've all been waiting for.
In the second video I generated, you can clearly see that the character stays totally consistent across both cut shots. You guys can definitely try experimenting with it. Most of the time, it generates videos really well, but once in a while, it might skip a few shots. Alright, now let's move to our next video generation. This time, we're gonna test out the start frame and end frame feature. I've got 2 images here. This one's our first frame, and this one's the last. Next, we'll upload both images right here, drop in our prompt, and then just hit generate. Once the video's done, we'll play it and see how it looks. Alright guys, the video's ready. Let me play it for you so you can see how it turned out. This one didn't come out as great. Like I said earlier, Veo 3.1 sometimes gives results like this. But the videos I generated before turned out way smoother. Just check out this one. And then this one right after. With the start frame and end frame feature, you can actually create transitions just like the ones you see on Magnates Media's YouTube channel, super clean and professional. Alright, now let's test out the ingredient to video feature. I've got 3 images ready, one of a model, one of a purse, and one of a dress. So, let's upload them, drop in our prompt, hit generate, and see what it comes up with. So after waiting for the video to generate for quite some time, I refreshed the page, and got this message saying high load on the selected model. The Higsfield team's working on it right now, though it looks like the issue's actually coming from Google's side. But no worries, I already made one earlier while testing, so let me show you that.
Style is power.
When it comes to the ingredient to video feature, honestly, it didn't perform as well as WAN 2.5 or Sora 2. I actually made a full video on WAN 2.5, so you should definitely check that out. It's a much stronger model compared to Veo 3.1, and the best part, you can only use WAN 2.5 on HIGGSFIELD AI. I've dropped the link in the description, so go try it out for yourself. That's it for this quick breakdown of the Veo 3.1 update. If you found it helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.